In the Winter 24 Salesforce release, the ability to create custom errors via flow is introduced. I've never loved validation rules, and quite frankly, I suck at creating them. With this feature, I don't have to worry about validations anymore. Here's an example. I've created a flow on the account object. This is going to restrict users from saving a change on this custom field TMS type. If and when they change and then click Save on the record, the custom error is presented and the user is prevented from saving that change. Remember, this is done via flow, not validation rule. So let's look at how this flow is created. I'm going to go ahead and go to Flow Builder. For this one, it is a record triggered flow, and then I'm going to click Create. In the Flow Builder, you're also going to notice an enhancement here available in Winter 24. We have the split screen of the Flow Builder and then the configuration on the right. So on this flow, I did create this on the account object. And then when a record is updated, set entry conditions. When are we going to trigger this flow? And again, I'm just using that custom field TMS type is changed, and then I'm going to select true. We could certainly enter more entry conditions here if we wanted to restrict all users except system admins, but for demo purposes, I'm going to leave this as is. Also, since we're triggering and updating on the same record, I'm going to use the fast fields update. Next, I'm going to add the custom error. So this is the new element presented or introduced in Winter 24. Going to go ahead and give a label. And then once you click into or tab into the API name, if you don't know, it's going to autofill. And then of course we want to enter a descriptive error. For demo purposes, I'm going to skip this part and not waste our time there. There's two places where you can show the error message. So in a window on a record page, or as I prefer, as an inline error on a field. So I'm going to select the field where I want this flow, that custom field TMS type, error message. So we do have the resource picker where we could enter any of those merged fields or fields from the user, from the record, what have you. I'm not going to do that here. I am just going to let my user know that they should contact their system admin. They don't have permission to change that TMS type. And then all I need to do is save, give my flow label, API name, and of course that description, and then activate my flow. And again, this is going to prevent my user from saving a change on the record and give them that custom error message that we entered in our custom error element.